Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. And that's how you can enter recovery mode. Using volume keys you can navigate, and using power key you can select, and here you have such options as reboot, wipe data, and connect with Mi Assistant. If you want to exit this mode, just select an option reboot and then reboot to system, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.